Hi students, so myself Nazir Hussain. So today we are going to discuss about one assembly language 8 program of 8086 which is called code conversions. In this we are going to see a code conversion between ASCII to BCD number as well as BCD to ASCII. So ASCII to BCD, rather saying that we can also write like ASCII to packed BCD number. Now first thing is we need to understand what is this ASCII and BCD number here. So in this assembly language program, so ASCII number means BCD number refers to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But ASCII numbers, if you want to represent the same in terms of ASCII, 0 is represented as 30, 1 is represented as 31 and so on up to 39. These are called ASCII numbers in this particular program. So when you're talking about ASCII number of 45, then you have to write 45 nothing but 3, 4 and 3, 5. So 3, 4, 3, 5. So the same is about to do here. So I am taking a ASCII number of 3435, which is called 3435. Now I want to convert this into a packed BCD number called 45. I want to convert it from ASCII to BCD. Now how do we do that? First, if we understand the logic, then program can be automatically understood. See, try to understand. For making this 3435 into 45, we should not have this 3 in between, is it? So simply, so we can write here subtract 3030 from the above can give us 0405. Means, so now just compare these numbers 45 and 0405 compared to 3435. It is somewhat familiar, so that we can go for 45. So first thing is removing this 3 from the data, and then what I need to do is I need this 4 just to the left side of the 5. So I want to change this to this position. So I want to change the position of this value to this right side. So how to do that? So that can be done using a shift instruction. And in shift also, what type of shift we require? Right shift or left shift, we need to check. Now since these two bytes are different, this is a lower byte and higher byte, we can shift the data either in higher byte or in the lower byte, or can in the word. We cannot shift the data from just particularly from higher byte to lower byte. So what we require is, so I just shift this higher order to the left hand side 4 times by using an instruction called SHL. If this is shifted, then it can be written as 4005. By shifting this higher byte data towards left hand side, we can get 40 in the higher byte, 05 will be same. Now once we get this one, if we perform addition operation in between these two or logical OR operations, what happens? 40 and 05 gets added to 45. As simple as that. The same logic we are going to implement in the program. If you observe the program here, I have taken 4000 memory location for giving the input of 3435. I am taking that 3435 into BX. Now BX will have 3435. After that, what I did is I performed a logical AND between BX and 0F0F. So 3435. So 0F0F logical AND operation means the output will be high only if both the inputs are high. So we will get BX equals to 0405 here if you perform logical AND. So how? See, 01015 1111 is F. If you perform logical, you will get 0101 again 5. And for 30 we get 0, for 30 we get 0. So likewise we get 0405. After getting 0405, what I am doing? So now this is a BH and this is BL. Now I am taking a count of a 4 in the CL register. Now I am SHL means shift left. I am shifting the data in the left hand side. Which data I am shifting? I am shifting BH value. How many times I am shifting? CL times, means 4 times. The shift operation is done in terms of bits format. For example, 0405 means 0000, 0100. This is the data. And 4 times shifting left means 4 times this data will be shifted to the left hand side, and we get 0100, and here we get 0000. Means this data will be shifted, this data will be shifted to 1. So this data entirely get out of the box, and here new zeros are included. So in shift left operation, so what happens? BH comma CL, the higher byte, which is actually 04, is shifted 4 times, which gives us as 40. Now the BX will be 4005. Now what I did? So I have did OR of BL comma BH. This is BL and BH. So OR nothing but logical OR. If any one input is high, output is high. If you perform logical OR between 40 and 05, what do we get? We get 45. So we have simply converted a data of 3435 into 45. So this 45 will be moved into the memory location again. BX will have 45 in the lower byte, that will be moved to SI, which is 4000 memory location, comma 2. So let us check the same here as I have written the program. So I have written the program in A5000. So this is a program for ASCII to BCD conversion. So the input, to give a word input, you have to go for SW command 4000. So what is the input I have given is 3435, and after that we are having some random values. What after executing the program using G command, now you can also see here the BX register is having 45 as a lower byte. So the same value gets replicated in inputs SI plus 2 SW 4000, comma the output is stored here, BX value is 45. So with this we have converted ASCII number into a packed BCD number. Hope you understand this. Right. In the similar way, if you go for reverse logic, so there is a one more program called BCD to ASCII, means packed BCD, means I will give an input of 45 and I want to get converted as 343. Right. So how do we convert this packed BCD into a ASCII number? Now try to understand here. So we have taken a SI comma 3000. In 3000 memory location, I have the input of 45. Now I want to convert this 45 into 3435 ASCII number. So let us see how the logic works. Here in the first instruction, what I did is, so I am taking that SI data into AL. Means now AL equals to 45. Similarly, after that I have taken AH comma brackets braces of SA. Again I am taking AH equals to 45. Nothing but AX equals to 4545 is the data right now I am having. Means we are converting this one into alternate fashion of to get 3435 in the second digit and fourth digit. We need to open up this. So first of all, after that what I did is AND AL comma 0F. For AL value, I am performing AND operation of 0F. What would be the result here? So it will be 05. So similarly for AH value, I am performing AND with F0. F0 if I perform AND, what do we get? 40. So now I am having AX equals to 4005 after these 4 instructions. Now, so I am taking a count of 4 SHR AH comma CL. So to get 3435, I want 4 to be in the second position. Here where I am having the first position. So I want to change this from first position to second position. For that I am writing shift right, AH means higher order data, right shift 4 times means we get 04 in this AH. So finally AX equals to what do we get? 0405 after executing this shift right. Now if you observe this 3435 0405, 4 and 5 are in their original positions where we actually require. Now what is missing is 3 is missing. For that I have written OR AX comma 3030. So this is a logical OR which gives us 3 4 and 3 5. It's as simple as that. So the same result is going to be stored in the memory location SI comma 02. So this is how BCD number to ASCII number is converted. ASCII number is obtained. Let us execute the same program here. So I have already taken the program A5500. So here I am having program. So SI, AH and so on. Now what input I need to give is S space 3000. Here any input you give, 45 gets converted into 3435. So let us check. After executing the program using go command. So after executing that using G command, what I get in AX is 3435. Now if just let us change the input and see whether we get a ASCII number or not. So for S3000 this is 45. I'll take 86 as a new input and I have given it, and let us execute the same using G command, starting address of the program. Now if you see the output, you can see if I have given 86 as the input, I got 3836 as the output. It is simply getting converted into ASCII number. The same output can be checked in 3000 memory location also. Yes, 3000. So 86, after 86 I have 36 and 38. This is how the conversion between ASCII to BCD and BCD to ASCII happens. Hope you understand this. Please watch this video and share this among your friends for better maintenance of the lab as well as a better understanding of the programs. Thank you.